Hello and welcome back to another video tutorial. This is going to be an FRP bypass / Google account bypass for the Alcatel U5 phone, or the Optus X Spirit as it's called in Australia. This is going to be a fairly straightforward tutorial to bypass the Google account lock if you have forgotten the email, etc., and this doesn't need much technical skill to perform. This tutorial is only for educational purposes only, and I don't endorse using this method on a stolen phone, etc. First thing, power up your phone. You don't need a micro SD card or SIM card inserted into the phone to perform this bypass. What you will need to do is press next, then press skip. Now here you want to connect to a Wi-Fi network, so go ahead and do that. Once connected, let it go through the next process and just wait. It will then show the Google account lock screen. I've logged into this phone already with my email to easily recover it, but I'm going to show you the tutorial anyways. Just click accept for anything that comes up. Now you want to go back to the connect to a network screen. Scroll down until you see add new network. Click that and type some random letters, just anything. Then touch and hold what you just typed. A little sub-menu will appear above the text. Tap the three dots to show another function, which is assist. Press that, and if you see a little border around the screen, shown here, this means it will proceed to the next step. Now a Google page will appear. Tap no thanks, and now a search bar will appear at the top of the screen. You want to start typing in Chrome. Once you see the Google Chrome logo, tap on that to open it. Wait for it and go accept and continue, and then tap no thanks. It will then show your default homepage for Chrome. Tap on the search bar at the top of the phone and search for test DPC APK and then press enter. Just go to the first result, which should be from the site up to down. It will open that page. Just click on the blue box which says latest version. Mind the ad that comes up also. Tap on the green box that says download. Now Chrome will ask you to update permissions. Tap allow, then it will ask you to save the file. Tap OK and let it download. This shouldn't take too long depending on the speed of your internet connection. Once it's downloaded, tap on open at the bottom of the screen. It will show the file downloaded. Tap on this and you will get a prompt saying install blocked. Tap on settings. There's a small slider next to allow unknown sources. Tap that slider and then tap OK, and now just press back once to be back to the screen with the downloaded file. Tap on the file again and then tap install. This shouldn't take more than a minute. Once it's installed, tap on open. Now you will need to select Setup Device Owner, then tap Next, and then tap Setup, then tap OK, and wait for it to set up the application. It will just disappear just like that. This is normal. Now go ahead and reboot your phone. There might be some other windows that may appear, but just restart your phone regardless. After it takes some time to restart, the phone will boot up absolutely normal. Unlock the phone and the Test DPC app will say Setup Finished. Select Skip and then press Finish. It will now bring you to the Alcatel Home user interface. Go to settings in the phone and just check accounts to make sure there is nothing there, no Gmail or anything like that. There shouldn't be anyways, but just be safe. Now you need to factory reset the phone at this point. This is due to about 50% of the apps not installing due to the bypass. So simply go to backup and reset in settings and then tap erase everything. Leave it to factory reset. This will take quite a while, so just be patient. Once the phone reboots, you'll be back in setup. If a window comes up about location, select agree. If another window comes up, just select Not Now. Now proceed through setup as if you just purchased the phone. You can choose to connect to a network or set the date and time if you want, or just skip through it like I'm doing. Once you get to finish, that's pretty much it. The bypass is done and you can use the phone normally. This will only work for the Alcatel U5 or Optus X Spirit as it's known in Australia. This phone is running Android 6 Marshmallow. This bypass may work on other Alcatel phones running Marshmallow, but I can't guarantee this will work on every phone. Hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. If it helped you out, leave a like and a comment if you want, and let me know if this worked for you. And I will see you in the next video, whatever that may be. Hey, thanks for watching. If you liked this video, feel free to leave a like or a dislike if you didn't. Comment below if you would like to see more content like this. We'll see you in the next one.